forgot to record myself finishing this board up, but it's not my best work. It's my first like real end grain cutting board, and there's some imperfections. Like I tried to make like a stripe design, and obviously didn't work out. The lines didn't match up the way I wanted, but it came out okay. And nobody's buying this one. I'm gifting this one to a friend. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. I did a juice groove and sanded up to 320 grit. And this is my favorite part of the whole process. It's getting to see what it'll look like with oil. And this is what I'm using. This is what I put on all the boards that I use, cutting board oil. This one was really fun to make. I had a lot of fun making this one. It was a nice challenge. Definitely learned a lot. Green. I forgot what wood the darker one is. It's one I'm not super familiar with. I think I got it at Woodcraft San Antonio, which is a great store. Ever since I found